Look who's waiting for me right outside my door. This is the ring that I lost. I thought I lost this. I got my ring back. Oh, I was so nervous that I lost this ring. This is like one of my favorite rings. It's made out of a sunset moth. It's like super iridescent and so pretty. And I thought I lost it, but I didn't. I found it found me again. I guess I dropped it outside, maybe when I was like bringing in the groceries or something, but we are reunited again. Today I decided to go on a little bit of a spontaneous trip. I am really craving the mountains. I'm like super craving being out in nature and just really being immersed in her. I learn a lot about myself and life and the universe and all of that when I go on hikes and spend time in nature. So we are off the mat today and going out and spending some time in nature, and we'll see where the wind blows. That's what I was gonna say. We'll see where the wind blows. So I have about like a 2-hour drive. Today I'm here at Raven Rock State Park in North Carolina. And oh, look at over here, it's a perfect little field for yogi streams. Maybe I will do a little stream before I leave, but today we're gonna go on a hike, on a walk and talk, on a journey of self, a journey of discovery, a journey of consciousness, a journey of awareness. I love nature walks because it always inspires me to reflect inside, to do a little introspection. It surfaces things that want to be talked about, that want to be spoken about. I feel like when I'm out in nature, I'm most myself, most relaxed. My nervous system is regulated, and yeah, and we have a lot to talk about around here in nature and whatnot. But I'm super excited to be here at this specific state park. I love state parks. They're some of my favorite, even though there's a lot of beautiful hidden gems all over the place. I love a nice forest walk. All right, here we are. So it looks like the trail that we want to do is a loop, and it's about 2 miles, which is exactly what I came here for. And we'll see if I want to do more after, which I might want to, but for now we're gonna do this loop. I don't know about you, but I didn't come here to serve any lower agenda. I came here to serve the divine plan, to serve God, to serve my higher self, to serve unconditional love, to serve freedom, to serve what my soul and my heart truly stands for. And so I'm gonna do just that. So I have a vlog out there that was like one of my first vlogs, hiking vlogs that I put up on my channel called Truth 101. And in that video I went hiking in New Hampshire, and I talked a lot about what I thought truth was. And since then, a lot has changed. I do believe in a lot of what I mentioned in the video. However, it is like outside research that was kind of like a foundation for me discovering deeper truths about certain things, but then the deeper truth about what truth is itself. And so today and recently, I believe that truth is always changing. There are so many different types of truth too. it's not just objective. There's so many different aspects that go into it. So to say that it is firm and non-changing, what is that word that I'm looking for? To say that it's the truth doesn't change. It's fact. Because it's fact, it doesn't change. I'm actually challenging that belief because I do believe that the essence of life is always changing. The essence of life is evolution, and things are always transforming. So things may be true now or for a certain period of time, but ultimately it's likely going to change. And I feel like that is with everything, and possibly this truth as well, but who knows? Who knows? And that's the beauty of it. And when we stay open to different ideas and perceptions and possibilities and facts and opinions and truths, and you know, just being open to listening to the expansion, to the possibilities, rather than, you know, being so stuck one way or the other, I think that is a sign of an intelligent mind. And I think that is a sign of someone who is open-minded, someone who is creative, someone who is curious of the world, and curious to know more. And you open yourself up to more truth, to deeper truth.
For my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
Mushroom season. Yeah, did you not see this? Look how this is like the biggest one I've seen this whole walk.
Yeah, she told me about that.
I forget what this one's called.
She's talking.
Quick tree hug. Tree hug break. I love you. There are a lot of quartz crystals on this path. It's kind of beautiful because they come in chunks, like huge pieces. I didn't record any of it, but at the lookout that I was just at, the whole wall was made out of pretty much stone and crystals. And I feel like definitely they are stones that were found in this forest. They weren't just brought here. So I think that's really interesting and unique about this trail. There's so many trails that have different crystals peeking out. Da 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 dum dun 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 da do da 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 do 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 do. This end of trail, but I'm gonna just see what's peek around the corner. It is a little slippery, you gotta be careful. You have to be careful of any creature is lurking. 2. Looks like I'm clear. No, it says end. Oh, I knew it. Once you just like go past boundaries sometimes, like, you discover some beautiful, beautiful stuff. This is really beautiful. I still have to pee though, so I have to find a place to pee. This trail is pretty busy today, so I'm not trying to flash no one. I'm still a little pee shy in nature. I'm sure there's a lot of people like that too, but you know, that's kind of nature. That's why they call it nature's calling. Look at this.
They say heaven is a place in the sky, but you make me feel like I'm there sometimes. Sometimes I'm in heaven with you, heaven with you.
Fuck are you? I'm ready.
They say heaven is a place in the sky, but you make me feel like I'm there sometimes. Sometimes I'm in heaven with you, heaven with you.
Of this tree though. I love hiking because there's always so many friendly people. You connect with people in different ways than you normally would if it was not outside of nature. Back up these steps. Let's see how fast I can go up these stairs. Speed racing up these stairs. Almost there. There's a little kid behind me racing me. I'm gonna get it. Yeah, fast as I can. This is where even an hour. I hiked almost two miles. I could probably do another loop too. I feel like that was really quick. Turns out I have a little less than a mile left to go. I was looking at the wrong thing on the map, so I do have a little bit left. I want to talk about quickly how important structure is in day-to-day life. Having a specific structure and a specific foundation is essential for evolution and for growing taller and taller and taller. Just like the trees, the bigger the roots, the bigger the tree. In order for us to rise high as we possibly can, we have to stay rooted in our specific structure. Go beyond fear. Go beyond it. So do the thing that makes you scared. A little risky, but you know, safe. That's something you want to do, but it's stopping you because of how you feel about how others perceive you. Exactly how I'm feeling right now when I'm recording this. And there's people walking by, so like, how do I feel when I feel like I need to know and understand or know exactly what that other person is thinking of me, how they're judging me because I'm recording. This is just an example for everyday stuff, but I feel like since I'm learning it right now and I'm going through it right now with you, this was the best way to do it. I had to get through fear to be here. Look at these. Look at these. They're like little beautiful acorn things. I don't know what kind of acorns, but they're pretty looking. So yeah. So on the other side of fear, beyond fear of something that feels right, but there's a little bit of an obstacle right there, go. Do it. Do it. Push through it. Do it. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And look at this beautiful space I found.